AAR is a leading provider of products and services to the worldwide aviation, government, and defense industries. For nearly 60 years, AAR's spirit of innovation and close to the customer business model have fueled our growth. Today, AAR serves customers through 4 operating segments. Aviation supply chain. AAR's logistics, distribution, and component repair businesses work together to reduce costs, increase parts availability, and minimize downtime. Our IT solutions connect customers and suppliers' business systems, providing real-time access to operational data across the supply chain. Maintenance, repair, and overhaul. AAR is one of the world's premier providers of aircraft maintenance, repair, and overhaul services. We support commercial airlines and government fleet operators with solutions that combine our diverse capabilities and advanced engineering services. Structures and systems. AAR provides specialized mobility products and customized cargo systems to support the mobilization of troops and supplies into theaters of operation. Our composite structures and precision machine parts are deployed across a variety of commercial and military aircraft. Government and defense services. AAR provides airlift and specialized aircraft modification services in support of national priorities. Our logistics serve to keep aircraft platforms and ground equipment mission ready, while our advanced communication systems serve as a critical link during natural disasters and humanitarian aid operations. By never losing our focus on the customer and continuing to diversify our capabilities, AAR has emerged as a unique force in the aerospace industry. With an enduring entrepreneurial spirit, AAR is truly taking flight, charting a path for new levels of growth and success for our customers.
Bringing today's modern technologies into the air traffic control system, which is what NextGen and SESAR and some of these other systems around the globe will help us increase the connectivity and information sharing among all the users of the air traffic control system.
NextGen is a huge step forward to enabling this goal, this vision. NextGen brings some very, very nice and powerful technologies such as ADS-B in and out, which really, in a very simplistic way, provide information about all the traffic that's surrounding your particular airplane. And that obviously is enormously powerful because it lets you plan and operate in an integrated way in the air traffic system.
So we bring the head-up displays, the head-down displays, comm, nav, surveillance platforms, the decision support tools that help the pilot make the appropriate decisions in the advanced airspace. We've validated many of those criteria as we've done advanced flight demonstrations and so on in Europe and in the United States to prepare ourselves for this evolving and transformation of the airspace.
By moving to NextGen and SESAR and transforming our system into a GPS-based navigation system, we are basically bringing today's technologies into the air traffic environment.
For the first time, pilots are going to actually have a situational awareness of where all the aircraft are around them. And so when you think about that complexity, for the first time, they're going to have to manage what they do with that information and make critical decisions based around it.
When you look at the capabilities of UAS, we've clearly seen what they can do in a military defense role. I think what they can do in the civil environment is what I call the next big thing in aviation.
So to get to the point where unmanned systems are operational in the commercial airspace, we have a few things to overcome, and some of those are perception related, but some of them are real. And two of the key ones that have been identified by the FAA are robust command and control. So obviously, since the pilot is not co-located with the airplane, there's a pretty strong need to have very, very high reliability connection between whoever it is that human is, or wherever that human is that's in charge of the vehicle, and the actual vehicle.
The level of automation of the technologies coming forward is really going to help us move air traffic more efficiently and more safely.
The future, as we look at whether it's a U.S. environment, the NextGen system, the European environment, the SESAR reference system, or the other growing airspaces, the one thing to recognize is one size does not fit all. What is common among all of those is a performance reference system. No longer is it a box-based answer, but it is how the boxes function together. We bring the functionality forward, and that performance is the entry or the access to the evolving airspace.
So, the future is here. I firmly believe it's this decade that all of these changes will begin to really lay the groundwork for an aviation future that the world has never seen.